Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am joining in on the hashtag 2crafters1design hosted by Mo at Mo Creations and Gloria at Girliest Cards. Today's challenge was to use presents, and here is the card that I made. Here's the presents, and inside I created a little envelope and some Christmas tree die cuts to share. This is actually going out to Marissa. She is a fun size crafter over on Instagram, and this is going out to her. Let me show you the supplies that I used. I used this stamp and die set from Stampendous. It is the red truck, and I chose to use the presents. You could also use the tree in the back of the truck. I used my Hill Stitch dies from Lawn Fawn. I used the Hit the Road for the road die from Dynamics, this paper tray ink envelope die, and this circle punch. And once again, here is the card. I will be sure to link both channels down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.